Today's video has been requested by you, so don't forget to subscribe and comment below on what you want to see next. During this video, what we're running through is Xero Payroll. So we need to, in particular, put through our holiday pay rate for our employees. I'm assuming that the holiday rate has already been set up in your payroll settings. If it hasn't, head on over to my other video where I show you how to do this. But during this session, what we're focusing on is we have a new employee and we need to pull this holiday pay into their payslip. So what we're going to do on Xero dashboard, we're going to go on over to payroll and employees. I've already set my new employee up because there's quite a few things that we need to go through when we're setting a new employee up. Again, if you need support on that, I have another video for you. So this employee, we need to add their holiday pay to their payslip. To do this, we need to go on over to pay templates. And from here, we can see that the payslip will have our regular hours, but it doesn't currently have holiday. So we click on earnings, select earning type and choose holiday pay. Again, your selection might not have holiday pay in this because it might not be set up. So don't forget to head on over to my other video on how to get this set up. But from here, what we need to do is leave the hours 0. Always leave the hours 0 because you will update this number on the monthly basis. However, the rate you can put in now and that will pull through for you every month. So I know that my holiday pay, I'm always paying about £1.75 for the hour. So that's the rate I choose. And then I click save. And there you have it. That is how you add the holiday pay rate to the payslip for a new employee. That will now pull through when you go on over to your pay employee section. I do hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along for more helpful content from Business Academy. I'll see you at the next one.